Alright, yo, what's up guys, MattVSNNL here, and today we are going to be developing, Baldi's basics, and so basically what we're gonna do is have a little round game, and right here we're gonna have a status, and basically a bot of Baldi is gonna chase after us, and we need to collect all 7 notebooks in order to escape. And whenever we do escape, the people that escape to win. So let's get started. Right, so first thing I did was make a little lobby which has grass, sand, and concrete, and some spawns right here. If you want to know how to make a spawn, just go into model and press spawn. You can so right there, and I removed the decal, put the transparency to 1, and turned off can collide, and also anchored it. So I also got this schoolhouse model in the free models tab. And as you can see, these blocks are basically where the players will spawn. I kind of forgot to, as you can see, we have a little model spawn points, and every single one is called spawn point. And I'm gonna turn the transparency to 1 and turn off can collide, or else players will get stuck in them. So we can see them now. So this is where we will spawn, but for now we're just gonna put it to 0. And it's very bright for some reason. I got this from the free models tab. But yeah, I'd recommend making your own schoolhouse. And in replicated storage I add maps. So that's where we're gonna put everything. So first thing we're gonna do is add all 7 notebooks. So I'm gonna quickly add in a notebook. Like this or something. So it's a bunch of parts together. So I'll put that in the handle, and notebook 1. We're just gonna do that. So in here we're gonna have a model. And this is gonna be called notebooks. Actually, we're gonna add in a folder, so it's a bit different from the others. So notebooks, so this is gonna be notebook 1. Let's go all the way up. So, well, actually, first thing we're gonna do is take this and bring it to here. I'd highly recommend making your own map, and then I'll just place it like this, and inside here we're gonna have a click detector, so we can actually collect it. So inside of replicated storage we're also gonna have a number value, and this is gonna be collected notebooks. So it's gonna be 0, and we're gonna do inside of the notebook we're gonna add a quick script, notebook script. So we're gonna do local current notebooks equals getting get source replicated storage, find for shell current notebooks. So yeah, and let's actually do this, and we're gonna do schoolhouse notebooks just to make it a little easier. And then we're gonna do script that parent find for script that parent that mouse click connect function Then we're gonna do equal dbounce equals false. So we're gonna do if dbounce is equal to false, then dbounce equals true, and current notebooks plus equals to 1, and script that parent destroy, and then we're gonna just wait a few seconds and put dbounce to false again. So let's test this quickly out. Wait, let's also do print current notebook star value. Right, so we're all the way on top. Let's just do that because we're gonna fit through that anyways. So if we quickly go in here and we click this, oh yeah, I see what the problem is. We have to do dot value plus equals to 1. So sorry, that's quickly that was quickly a mess up. So let's collect the notebook again and click, and still doesn't work. Damn. Oh, collected. Let's do collected notebooks. Like that. So now it should work. Sorry, I keep on messing up. My brain's kind of smooth today, but so not gonna think straight too easily. So click. Right, now there's 1. So now we collected 1 notebook. So and also now we can't collect it again, of course, because it's already deleted. So that's quickly the collected notebooks. So now we need to do that a couple of times. So now we need to go all the way back up. Right, now we're gonna put this one here. It's gonna be, actually let's just name them all notebook. So this is sweeping time. Now we need to bring it all the way over here, because here's the next one. I know this map a lot because I've always been a big fan of Baldi's basics. So there, and there's one, I'm pretty sure there was another one over here, but yeah, right here. So bam, then we're gonna principal's office. We also need to code a principal. So we're gonna do that right there. Oh god, there's a dot out. So I'm gonna quickly put this also right here. Bam. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the last notebook, and this one's, I'm pretty sure there wasn't one over here. Man, whatever. Jeez, this is so bright. This is why I tell you to make your own map, because you don't want to make it very bright. Sorry if you're watching this in the dark. Let's just put this notebook somewhere else then. If we can't find the last door. Pretty much explored this whole place, and I could still not find it. So let's just put it in the cafe, like right here. So this is the 7th notebook. So now we've put all the notebooks. So now that we did that, oh, we should probably get a, yeah, let's just put it into here. And alright, so make sure you also have all the spawn points. Then we're gonna add in a string value, and we're gonna call it status. And let's quickly code the stats. So we're gonna have stat. I'll just call it a data handler, because we're gonna immediately also write a data store code. So local players equals game gets serves players. Local data. Let's just do local data store service equals game gets serves data store service. Local data store equals data store service get data store. Then we're gonna do local players left equals 0. Then player added connect function players left plus equals to 1. Then local leader stats equals instance.new folder. Leader stats.name equals leader stats.parent equals player. Local wins, we're gonna first do wins. Wins.name equals wins. Wins.value equals 0. Wins.parent equals leader stats. Then we're gonna add this in here. Then we're just gonna do coins. There. And then we're just gonna do local wins data and local coins data. Pickle function wins data equals data store. Get async player dot user ID dot wins. Then same thing. Coins. If wins data is not equal to nil, then wins.value equals wins data. Else print player has no wins. Haha, noobs. And then we're gonna do coins data. Coins has no coins. Alright, so now we added in the loading. Now we're gonna do the saving. So local bindable event equals instance.new bindable event. Player moving. Connect function. Player. Pick-off function. Data store set async player user id dot wins comma player leader set dot wins dot value. Then we're gonna do the same thing. I already made a video on how to use data stores, so you should probably check that out if you want to learn how to make it. So then we're gonna do players left minus equals to 1, bindable event fire, and print saved. Then we're gonna do game bind to close function while players left is above 0, do bindable event wait, and do a wait. Alright, so now we make the stats and the saving. So let's publish it and play. And I also turned on all of the security. So as you can see, we have the wins and coins, and we have no wins and coins already. So we're gonna just do 5 coins and 2 wins. Well, actually 1 win, so it makes more sense. So we have 5 coins and 1 win. So let's leave. So make sure in game settings you turn on HTTP requests, API services, third-party sales, and third-party teleports, so you can also teleport players to games. So let's play and see if it's saved. So as you can see, it's saved. Now we have 1 wins and 5 coins. So that's the data so far. Now we're gonna actually make our little GUI. So we're gonna create a screen GUI, and I'm gonna call this status GUI. Then I'm gonna add in a text label. I'm gonna put it like right here, and I'll make it like green. Wait, actually inside of images we're gonna do Baldi's basics pad. So this basically, and I'll add in a image label. So I'll put it like right here. There we go. Then I'll add in this like this, and then I'll call this image, and I'll add in the text label and put it like this. Bam, make it like that. And then I'll do like this, and then this, and then let me bring it down a bit. Well, there. Let me just do this. There we go. Alright, so this is gonna be the status text. I just thought that would be the text. Then we'll add a little frame like this, and let's make this 2 and make this 3. So 2, and I'll put this like status. Put this to 0 something. There you go. Alright, there we go. And I'll just do this. Then I'll do border. And I'll just make this a label, because why not? And I'm gonna do now we're gonna do the update script. We're gonna do local status equals game get service replicate storage my first child status script over and the text equals status the value. Then I'm gonna do status get property change signal value connect function, and it's the exact same now. So let's play. So if we do intermission, so it basically looks like that. I think that just makes it a lot more cooler, I guess, or better. There we go. So now it looks like that. So I think that just makes it a bit better. So this will automatically update too. So if we do like a quick script, so script, let's just do for 5, 0, minus for I equals 5, 0, minus 1. Do wait 1 second and script up there and the value equals I. So let's quickly do that. Yeah, let's not do that. That's just stupid. So, now we're just gonna do half of the the main script, and then we will just end it off for now. So we're gonna do main script. So we're gonna do local replicated storage. Those game gets ours. Okay, that's storage. Local maps equals game equals replicate the storage my first child maps local status equals replicate it keeps on doing return my first child status local collected notebooks equals replicated storage find for child collected notebooks. Wait, let's quickly, just in case, do that. And then we'll do, kid is crying outside. And then we'll do local intermission length equals 10 and local game length, so this is how long we want to take until the game's done. So we'll do like 3 minutes or something. So let's quickly search up. For some reason my computer's kind of slow today. How many seconds is 3 minutes? So I'm pretty sure that's 180 seconds. So there. So now we'll do while true do, and also let's do local required players equals 2. So we'll do while true do status dot value equals waiting for enough players. So I'll do okay. Let's also do local players equals can get source players. There's some dog barking inside. Players dot num players dot dot slash dot dot. Let's also do toString and then required players. So we'll do repeat wait 1 until players dot num players is above or equal to 2. So we'll only start if there's 2 or more players, and then we'll do for I equals intermission length comma 0 comma -1 do. Actually, let's do an intermission length 1 comma -1. Then we'll do wait 1 status dot value equals intermission dot I. So let's quickly play and test it out. Num player. Oh, we did num player. We have to do num players. So as you can see, it says waiting for enough players 0 out of 2 for some reason. But it's supposed to say 1 out of 2, but I'm pretty sure that's just until it's a real game. So as you can see, it's 1 now. Let's do required players here. So it's only one of us now, so as you can see, the intermission length goes down. So it's going good now. So later in a different episode, we're gonna do a voting system so we can vote for a map. But right now we're just gonna do a random map. So we're gonna do status dot value equals choosing random schoolhouse, and then we're gonna wait about 3 seconds. Actually, let's wait 5 seconds, and we're gonna do local available maps equals maps get children, and we're gonna do local random map equals available maps math.random 1 comma hashtag available maps. So we're gonna get all the maps inside of the maps folder, and we're gonna choose 1 out of all of them, and then we're gonna do local clone map equals random map colon clone, and then we'll do status dot value equals random map dot name has been selected as map. Then we're gonna do wait 1.25 seconds, and we'll do clone map dot parent equals workspace, or you can do game dot workspace, but I like to do workspace because that's just a easier way. Or you could do game getSource workspace, but I'm just gonna do workspace. So so now we need to teleport all the players to the map. So we'll just wait 2 seconds, and we're gonna do, well, actually right here we're gonna do local PLRs equals table, and I'm gonna do for I comma player in pairs. I did pairs again. Players get players do, if player, then table.insert plrs, player. So you're gonna add every player into a table, so we know which players are currently in the game. And right here we're gonna do for I, player in pairs plrs do if player, then character equals player dot character, and we're gonna do if character, then else, if not player, then table dot remove plrs, player. Actually, table dot find plrs, player. So while teleporting there's no player and character, we'll just do wait, let's put one here. So if there's no character, then we could just remove them too. But if there is, we're gonna do right here local spawn points equals flow map find first child spawn points. It's already 30 minutes. And we're gonna do if not spawn points, then print no spawn points found. And we'll do local available spawn points equals spawn points get children, and we'll do character find first child humanoid root part dot cframe equals available spawn points the first cframe. They'll do table.remove available spawn points, 1. So we'll remove it out of the spawn points, and so no players can go to the same one. So that's it for the teleporting. So let's quickly test this out. Ow. Oh, wait. So let's go here, and we need to change it to 1. So it's counting down now. So it's saying choosing random schoolhouse. Schoolhouse has been selected as map. And then we got teleported. So, that is it for this episode right now. There will be more episodes regarding ending the map and checking if there's, and if, let's quickly do for the next round, local, or next episode, local required notebooks equals 7. So we'll quickly do that. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see the next episode, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment that you want the next episode, because I'm thinking of making this a whole series. So I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.